I want to cover what I did in Campfires this week. This one is on a rich text editor, and you'll find rich text editors throughout Canvas. So let's go ahead and look. I'm going to go to Courses. I'm going to add an assignment. So I'm going to go to Wombat Wrangling 101. You'll see this in Pages and a lot of different things, but I'm going to go to Assignments. We'll do a new assignment here, and I'll call this one New Assignment. Now along the top, this is the rich text editor right here that we talked about. Along the top you have bold, italic, so if I put in some text, I can highlight that, I can make it bold, I can change the font size down to 36 for example. I can change the color under text color, we'll make it red, and I can do all these things. So I've got my text is going to stand out. This little button here, clear formatting, is a handy one. I can just highlight and hit it, and it goes back to the default. So along the top, you'll find all the text tools and font size and paragraph items here. I want to talk about these. This is a way to insert a table. If I click here, I can say I want a table 5 by 4 or whatever, and then you can work with your table. Next one is in link to a URL. I'm going to Kitten War. This is the one we did in the Campfire. I'm going to highlight Kitten War, come over here, and I want to link that to a URL. So I can type it in here, or I can come up to this one and just copy my link, come back and paste that in and hit insert link. Now once it's published, come along, click on it, it will open up the Kitten War website. Don't know why you would, but it will. I'm going to highlight that. This next one is remove link. So if I want to take the link out, it removes that link, and it's just plain text right now. This one is embed image. I want to show you a few things on that one. This one is a URL. So what it does, go out on the web, if you found a picture, you right click on it and copy the address, paste it in here, and that picture will appear. So I'm going to come up here, cute kittens. If I right click on this cute kitten, I'm going to copy image address, come back here and paste it in, and alt text, I'll just say this is a cat. This is going to be really big. I'm going to knock it down to 400. Click in the second box and it keeps the aspect ratio, update, and there's a cute kitten in my website. Again, don't know why you'd want to do that, but you get the idea. Also under embed image is Canvas. It will look for files that are in your top tier of your Canvas one. So I'm going to choose this picture. Again, the dimensions is going to be huge on there. I did the last one 400. Let me do this one 500. Click in this box. You can kind of get an idea how big 400 and 500 is. So here's a 400 and here's a 500. Back to images. One more thing, Flickr. This goes out to the Flickr site and finds their Creative Commons, which are not copyrighted. So let's go back to do kittens, for lack of anything else. Search for cute kittens. Lots of cute kitten ones. There's a cute one right there. 333 by 500 is going to fit on the website well. Einstein the kitten. I'm going to hit update, and there's Einstein the kitten. Don't know why they called him Einstein. So that's the image editor. This is the insert math equations for math teachers. Lots of fun that will get math teachers excited. So have fun, math teachers. There it is. YouTube, this lets you insert a YouTube video. YouTube is blocked, and so it kind of messes this up. But again, search, so Canvas LMS. I'll search for that. I'll search for that. So I want to embed cool things you can do with Canvas. If I click on embed, it does the medium one. If I click over here, I can do large, medium, or small. Don't know what a return link is. I'll embed a medium. You can see what size that comes through. Now the YouTube video won't show up until I publish it, and it'll show up, but we've had troubles with it being blocked with students, so I don't know if that will work well for you. Khan Academy, used to think that was just math, but there's a lot of fun things here. Math, science, art, and humanities. I go to science and chemistry and chemical reactions and whatever that is. Let's go ahead and I'll embed small on this one, and you can kind of see the size. Again, once you're logged in, you'll be able to see those videos once it's published. That's the Khan Academy. This one is the external tools, and this is going to be pretty big, I think, once we get into this one. I've just added a few to mine. We'll do a little training on how to add these. Quizlet is flashcards, and you can create your own, or you can search and find things that have been made by other people, and there's this Quizlets on about everything. So I'm going to do art history, if I can spell history, art history, and so there's just bunches of art history. Here's art history 1, 1, 2, 3, and so I click to flip, and it even reads it to you. So if I'm saying, okay, this is exactly what I need, or if it's close, I can embed small, medium, or large. I'll do a medium one, and that is Quizlet. Play around with that. You'll find flashcards, so you can embed it within your assignment or a page, whatever, and kids have that chance. Just go through and go through the words. There'll be other ones here that we can work with. Last one is record and upload media. When I click on this one, the first option is going to allow this to record yourself on a camera. Once I click allow, now it's not going to work on mine just because I'm recording this on a screen and it seems to break it. Click allow, you're going to see your face showing up here on your camera, and then you can record message to your kid, your lesson, whatever you want on here. If you don't want your face showing, you can click on this one and it just records the audio. Again, you're going to hit allow and you'll be able to record that and put it in there. Kind of a cool thing to do. Upload media, this is where if you've downloaded YouTube videos or have other videos, you would select that file, put it in through here, or if you have an audio file, you do it here. So that is basically how the rich text editor works. I hope you play around with it. If you have questions, let me or somebody else know. Good luck with this.